Day 7. Like he about 95% complete. As you can see, we don't have no poles on the inside, but we still got the gate and the fence still back there. But overall, pretty much got the bathrooms done. All that's been painted. Still working on getting this window replaced. Just missed him. Looked like he was already in a groove. I know I'm end up having to buy some more paint. All good. Make sure I paint it good. Get it. Got this wall knocked out. And this is why I say he 95%. He's just gonna knock out this last wall. And he probably pretty much done. Yeah. Let's see. Walk back here. Fix guys. Like they got the poles and everything set. Yeah. Probably wouldn't have left these poles out here though. That's good steel. I'm finna try to take down this gutter, cause this is trash. It ain't catching no water. But hopefully I'm gonna have an outside water spigot somewhere in this vicinity, so you can get your car washed. Your car can get you a fresh start out here too. Do it like that. But yeah, so you'll be able to come in here, get some sort of a car wash roller. But yes, this is a very tall fence. My bad, I overshot just a little bit. But hey, better be safe than sorry. Still working on getting this back door replaced. Waiting on my embroidery guy. See if he see what size machines he got. Cause 9 times out of 10 we're gonna have to, where it's at, cut. Make that a double door. Or a roll up door, who knows? But I'm probably gonna try to take this down today. It serves no purpose. And let's see if I can get up there. Last time I didn't have an impact drill, so I couldn't really get them screws out of there the way I needed to. But yeah, we're here with it today. Day 7, Sunday. And we got some special things that's coming on the outside. Still gonna have my security lights, cameras, and all of that. It's gonna look like a little mini fortress, but I'm prepared to give back to the community of Lucy C. Laney and Laney Walker Boulevard. So I hope all the former alumni and everybody come out here and rock with us at Fresh Starts. I love y'all. Y'all be safe. Yes, sir. Fence 50% up. Fence guys say they probably got, another 6 hours. I say, 2 days worth of work. Might not even be that much, but they finally got everything they need to throw it up. So they did most of this today. I ain't realize how much detail went into a fence till you sit here and you watch them do something. But yes, sir. Fresh start coming soon. I repeat, fresh start coming soon. Y'all already know. These are little things that I'm gonna do to really encourage and continue to push the community to be better. My immediate circle, family, friends, those who can also be inspired. Just, want to show everybody that it's possible. Anybody willing to come work with us, y'all welcome. Just hop in my DMs. If y'all know somebody that's talented and need a place to showcase they talented, I'm just a vessel to help everybody get to their next level. But Fresh Starts by SOAR. We appreciate y'all. We love y'all. Y'all be safe and have a positive rest of the week.